Millions of families in India are unable to access information that can help children grow up healthy, happy and ready to learn. Sesame Workshop India's Radiophone project combines community radio platform and cell phones to make educational media accessible to children and caregivers in marginalized and highly migrant communities.
49% of people in India do not have access to television. What they do have access to, however, is radio and cell phones.
Community radio is limited to a very small geographical region. Also that you always broadcast in the local dialect. How do we take this world-class content, how do we bring it to community radio and make it relevant to our local context?
The Radiophone project reaches 10 diverse communities with laughter and learning as Gully Gully Sim Sim characters talk about learning letters and numbers and the importance of hygiene.
We had to prepare more than 1,000 questions and had to get 3 different answers from the same questions to get a regional flavor.
We included a Vox Box segment wherein we went to the community to ensure that their voices were heard. This really helped us capture and sustain their interest for the program and also impact child learning outcomes.
My role in Radiophone's content creation process was to work with the creative team to make sure that the episodes find the right mixture of entertainment and education.
The primary challenge was to establish an effective communication with children and to ensure that the educational messages were absorbed even without the visuals of the popular characters of Gully Gully Sim Sim.
We were told that the stories need to be quick, fun and nothing that the children can't imagine.
Stories would always have a specific takeaway or an end goal, which is called educational goal. The story was about hand washing. So the kid who is listening to the program, we made sure that he or she remembers, having listened to the episode, that it is very, very important to wash your hands.
Sesame Workshop India has also equipped the community radio stations with an upgraded technology that allows interactivity and enhances reach.
In today's day and age where mobile phone penetration growing by leaps and bounds, everybody has a mobile phone now. What if people could just call in at any time during the day and listen to this radio broadcast? We invented an interesting concept over here through a missed call system that people just have to place a missed call in our server and then the server automatically within 30 seconds calls them back.
Our involvement in the project helped 10 community radio stations in sharing their best practices, strengthening their network and also sharing their experiential learning.
Additional ground events strengthen the interactivity between the program and the communities.
As a whole, if you look at it, this is an innovative exercise in bringing together several principles of participation at the content creation level, at the research level, at the impact assessment level, and the core principles are that of involving the communities in the analysis of their own development.
बच्चे खेल-खेल में अच्छी चीजें सीख रहे हैं और हम ये नहीं कहते हैं कि बहुत बड़ा बदलाव किसी एक कार्यक्रम से होता है, लेकिन अगर वो उस बारे में सोचता है, उस बारे में उसे जानकारी मिलती है, तो वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव है एक समुदाय के लिए।
कई बार तो जब हमें कॉल्स आती हैं हमारे श्रोताओं की, जो हेलो सिम सिम एक पार्ट है गली गली सिम सिम का, उसके अंतर्गत तो बैठ के लोग कार्यक्रम सुनते हैं। उस कार्यक्रम के दौरान हमने देखा है कि लोगों में उत्साह, उनमें एक ललक पैदा हो रही है कि हम अपनी बातों को बोलें, अपने मन की बात हम बाहर निकालें। तो जैसे कि हम नाश्ते की बात अगर कहीं पर आती है कि क्योंकि सारे जो सदस्य हैं, मेंबर्स हैं, वो साथ साथ सुनते हैं, वहाँ पर बच्चे भी बैठे होते हैं, वहाँ पर बड़े लोग भी बैठे होते हैं, उनकी माँ जो नाश्ता तैयार करते हैं वो भी बैठी होती हैं। तो ये जो आपस में एक समझ विकसित होती है और वो इकट्ठे बैठ के होती है, तो इसका बहुत ही अच्छा एक गुण है इस कार्यक्रम का।
Every broadcast of Gully Gully Sim Sim entertains as it engages children, caregivers and communities. Shakil of village Bhadas in Mewat attends school regularly now. Sneha makes sure she has a healthy breakfast every single day. Vikesh has discovered a technique to forward calls from his mobile so that people just like him can access Gully Gully Sim Sim and benefit from the show. Communities are learning to manage time so that girls can go to school. And these are the changes that are unlocking possibilities for children and communities.